Who plays a guitar out there? It sounds so bad. Who is that? Hey, what are you doing? Do you know your guitar sounds is very bad?
Sorry, I don't know why my guitar sounds like that.
Maybe the problem is on the strings. Hand me please.
Oh, yes sir.
Yes, the problem is on the string.
Are you really? Do you have solution?
Yes, of course. I have application for setting the guitar string. Just a minute. This one can help you for setting your guitar string. In my smartphone, I have application for help you to setting your guitar string. Look that. This name application is Guitar Tuna. This application can help you to setting your guitar string. Choose the first string. Give me your guitar. Turning the pin until the guitar string is matched with the needle. And do it on the next guitar string. Finally, I setting a guitar string. Can you play?
Thanks. Now I know how to setting my guitar string. Can you give your application for me?
Yes, of course. We can sing a song right now.
Okay, of course.
Na, 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 na.